Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Jio Wi-Fi. First, make sure your device's Wi-Fi is turned on. Then, open your Wi-Fi settings and look for the JioNet network in the available list. It's important to have your registered Jio mobile number handy, as you will need it for the next steps to establish a secure connection. Once you have selected the JioNet network, your device might automatically open a browser window. If not, simply open any web browser yourself. This will direct you to the JioNet login page. Here, you will need to enter your registered Jio mobile number and then tap the option to receive a one-time password or OTP on that number. After receiving the one-time password on your registered mobile number, carefully enter it into the designated field on the login page. Make sure to review and accept the terms and conditions presented. Once these steps are completed, your device should successfully connect to the Jio Wi-Fi network, allowing you to browse the internet and use your applications. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your device can often resolve minor glitches. Also, confirm that your Jio plan includes active data or Wi-Fi benefits, as this is crucial for access. Sometimes, moving to a slightly different spot can improve your signal strength. Remember these tips for a smoother and more reliable Jio Wi-Fi experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.